Oh hey, hello and welcome. Welcome back to another FRS K-swap video. And I think some financial mistakes were made.
I am never going to financially recover from this.
So the K-swap from KPower finally released today. So I got my order in. So I should have one on the way. Not sure yet when it's going to be delivered. Hopefully soon so I can get started. And a big shout out to Jackie Ding from PhD Racing for hooking that for me. I did decide to go with the full kit. They do have a few kit options you can go with if you don't need or want everything. I went with the full kit except for AC. I did that to save a little bit of cost. Plus it's race car. Race cars don't need AC. And probably going to be filling that in my pocket for a while, but I think it's going to be worth it. In the end, it's going to be awesome. As you can see, this kit comes with a ton of stuff. I mean, it's a lot of high quality, very well engineered products, and comes with everything you need to get started and get the car running. Everything from the adapter plates, clutch, flywheel, intake manifold, intake, oil pan, drive shaft, of course the engine mounts, and a lot of other goodies. Let's see what else. Probably one of the things I'm most excited about is it comes with a Haltech ECU 1500 and a plug and play wiring harness. There's no slicing that has to be done. Everything plugs into the factory harness, and the car should operate as if it was from the factory, pretty much. It also comes with a few other goodies like a fuel wheel, a header, a wideband or 2 sensor. Now I did not get the shifter plate. Since I have a aftermarket shifter, I have a IRP shifter, I do not need the shifter plate. While we wait, some other goodies came in. I got a new water pump housing to get rid of the JDM one. Looks pretty nice. Got a new tensional. Water pump already had. A few things from K-Tune. I got this little cover piece to go there to replace this old boring one. A gasket, thermal gasket, and might as well put these on while I wait. I still have to clean this surface off, put some more sealing on it, and find the proper hardware for it. But first, well, I was putting this cover plate on and the holes don't line up. It's not that they don't line up, it's hitting the pulley. It won't go that way far enough for these two holes to line up properly. So that's a big no-go on K-Tune so far. So I'm either gonna have to send it back or grind this shit down to make it fit. But I have ran out of parts to throw on, but I'm just that much closer to getting this thing done. I still have to order a few other things. I got to order a tensional, the EP3 tensional. I need that. I need a alternator, the belt, and a few hardware items like screws and brackets and stuff like that. I need, what else do I need? Probably replace the thermostat, some gaskets for that, which is probably that's gonna come back off anyway. So I plan on painting that. So now I just gotta wait. Hopefully the next time you see me, the kit's here, and I can start throwing those parts on an engine. Start building it up and getting it ready. This kit was very expensive, so I might have to eat ramen for a few months, or even start selling off some of my other toys. I do plan on selling the engine out of the 86, so hopefully that should offset the cost a little bit. But until then, take it easy and come back for the next video. Peace out.